Hey friends, in this video I'm going to talk to you about one possible approach to becoming happy instantly. So if you are sad and you try this one, I'm almost certain you will immediately be more happy. So let's get started. Recently the happiness index has been released and India is quite low there. It's disheartening to see why we as Indians are ranked so low in the list and why on average we are not so happy. Well, what can be done at large at the policy level is something we may discuss another day, but what can we do, you do, I do, to immediately become happy if we are sad at the moment? I'm gonna share with you. It almost always works for me and I am almost sure it will work for you as well. And in all fairness, let me reveal to you that this recipe of happiness was given to me by my mom. She told me that if you are extremely upset looking at the utensils to be cleaned after a lunch, so many utensils and so much food stains, and the maid has said she can't come or he can't come, and you are left to yourself to wash all these utensils, what would you do? Oh my god, this is really scary and disheartening, isn't it? Well, if you think about three things, I am sure the whole scene changes. It transpires to a different scene. Think about why the utensils are dirty. So many utensils are dirty because you have so many utensils at the first place. So you are lucky you have so many utensils at your home. And so many food stains because you have so much food to eat. Indeed, you had such a merry lunch with your family and so much food on the plates. Therefore, all the food stains. And last but not the least, you had a family to enjoy all the lunch with. That's why all these plates. If you are all alone, there's no way you could have more than one or two empty plates for your lunch. And therefore, you have utensils at your home, you have food at your home, and you have family members at your home to cherish and enjoy those moments. And that's why all these dirty utensils. If you think about this, how many people are lucky enough on this whole earth who would have all these utensils and all these food and all these family members to share the food? Instantly you would realize how lucky you are to be having all these dirty utensils to be washed. So you see, if you train your mind to translate all these difficulties or challenges that come your way into something more positive and meaningful, there's no way you can be sad the next moment. And this applies to every damn thing that you do in your life. For example, if one of your colleagues writes a nasty email to you and CCs everyone in the department, and you're absolutely crazy, you've gone mad, how can he write this message to you? And what is your fault? You are doing your best and you are so angry and so sad. Just take a moment and relax and ask yourself, what is that you are doing good? Or what is that you are possessing? Or what are some of your crucial contributions to the department that someone is angry and trying to put you down? If you think like this, immediately you should feel happy that you are contributing to the organization, and there will always be people who would try to pull you down. Do not give them a damn. And let's take another example. You are coming back from a party in your car home and the tire is punctured, the tire is flat. You again get agitated. Why again? Why me? Once again take a moment and think, why did the tire got punctured? Because you have a car at the first place. You are lucky enough to have a car to take you wherever you want to, and therefore once in a while, all these things are perfectly okay. They don't just happen to you, they happen to everyone in life. And in the larger scheme of things, after let's say 6 months, you all know you are not gonna remember the flat tire. You are gonna remember the time that you spent, when you went to your friend's place before the tire got flat. And therefore, try to keep all the good memories in your mind and always reinstate the positive aspect of anything wrong that happens in your life. And there's no way, I assure you, you can be sad. All you need to do is to translate these negative feelings into the positive ones. And if you consciously try this all the time, there's no way you can be sad. With these words, wish you a very happy life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.